Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the government's CAPEX road program. Now under this program, 6 roads are going to be rebuilt at a cost of $14 billion. And this road, which is East Kings House Road, is one of the 6. The project actually involves turning this road into a dual carriageway. It will look similar to Constant Spring Road or Hagley Park Road or Barbican Road. It's going to have the concrete barricade in the middle and 2 lanes on either side. And the project is actually East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road. As you can see, there's a lot of space. Though if you look at where the fences and the poles are located, there is a lot of space for this development. So the project should start next year. It's been on the books for quite a while. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. East Kings House Road in St. Andrew, Jamaica is undergoing significant transformation as part of the government's $14 billion special CAPEX expenditure program. This initiative aims to modernize key roadways while integrating sustainable practices to benefit the community and future development. The project represents a harmonious blend of infrastructural progress and environmental consciousness. The East Kings House Road project is a critical component of the CAPEX program, which seeks to upgrade infrastructure across Jamaica's urban corridors. Key features include improvement of roadways and drainage systems, enhanced traffic management, installation of street lighting, and the construction of underground ducts to support future broadband connectivity. These upgrades aim to improve mobility, enhance road safety, and facilitate economic activity by reducing transportation inefficiencies and fostering connectivity between major commercial centers. This project aligns with Jamaica's broader urban planning goals, addressing long-standing issues of congestion and underdeveloped infrastructure. By improving these critical corridors, the government hopes to boost the movement of goods and services, stimulate local economies, and create new opportunities for businesses and residents alike. A standout feature of the East Kings House Road project is its commitment to environmental preservation. Under the National Tree Planting Initiative, 3,000 trees are being planted along East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Roads. This effort not only offsets the environmental impact of construction, but also enhances the area's aesthetic appeal. The trees will contribute to increased forest cover, reduce carbon emissions, filter pollutants from the atmosphere, and improve water retention in the soil. While the East Kings House Road project promises significant benefits, challenges such as temporary traffic disruptions, noise, and dust during construction are inevitable. The government has appealed for public patience, emphasizing the long-term advantage of these developments. Once completed, the improvements are expected to boost property values, attract investments, and serve as a model for integrating sustainable practices into urban development. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So the CAPEX program is actually 6 roads, 3 in Kingston, 3 in Portmore. 3 in Kingston are East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road, Arthur Wint Drive and Camp Road, and Washington Boulevard. They are going to be extending the bridge to 3 lanes. The bridge on one side when going from Spanish Town Road towards Malines Road. If you're heading in that direction, the bridge is only 2 lanes, but the road is 3 lanes. So you have some traffic congestion there because the 3 lanes have to merge into 2. So they're going to be expanding that side of the bridge from 2 lanes to 3 lanes. And the other 3 projects are in Portmore. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.